Welcome to Very Girly of Us. I'm Srini,
I'm Shreya.
and today we're talking about how you need 10 subscriptions to be able to watch any movie or a show.
And that to all of them with ads. I don't want to see HDFC life insurance card in the.
Literally, and they're like, it's such short intervals now, especially on a few like Hotstar and Prime. It's so inconvenient to watch
The
anything.
other day I was watching a movie on Lionsgate
Mm-hmm.
and massive logo on the top.
Massive
I'm just
logo.
like, I
I
know that's
literally
killing. And
walked.
I was watching this mystery thriller
Yeah.
sci-fi movie. I can see Lionsgate logo. I'm
Oh
just
my
like,
god. I
oh.
walked to a room and this was my first question. Why is the logo this
It
big?
was so distracting.
I
And
know.
my god. But
And
there are just too many struggles with OTT, and
but
it takes me forever to find a
yeah,
movie to watch because I have to go and
exactly.
search and everything. And if I search on Google that, for example, Prada watch, it will give me all three.
Huh.
Apparently, as per Google, it's on all three because somewhere in the world it is on all three. Maybe on
Yeah.
US it's on Netflix, on whatever it is.
And
But
sometimes especially in Prime there are 10 other subscriptions within Prime, like Prime,
yeah, they
Eros,
have
then
Lionsgate and
Lionsgate.
all shit,
It's so inconvenient. They've written it's on Prime, and I'm
and
like,
it's
oh,
so
it's misleading. It's so inconvenient to find it. And
yeah.
every day the platforms are changing. I remember Dil Dhadakne though it kept changing from Prime to Hotstar to Prime to Hotstar. Every
Hmm.
day it's like
Because these companies are
leaving now. Mhm.
acquiring businesses left and right. One day
Yeah.
it's this, one day it's that. And film rights and music rights, anyways, are subject to change. But
Mhm.
it's so annoying. It's so annoying
It's
to just find
become,
something.
you remember how, the cable TV used to be a thing. I think it
Hmm.
was a thing till like 2015, I think. At least
Easily,
we have
yes.
watched till that time. And we used to get these packages of, a whole
English movie
bundle.
channel package,
Yeah,
Hindi movie channel
exactly. Yeah,
package, English music.
cartoons, and you'd get the whole bunch of channels. And then there was a lifestyle channel. We got TLC, and
And the premium channels like HBO.
yeah, and you would sort of get the whole bundle. You would not really get to choose what you can watch, when you can watch. But I remember we used to have such a clear schedule. I remember every child is like, I used to wake up and I used to watch some cartoon before
Yeah.
going to the
Yeah. And then you have to
crazy.
wait for a show at like
Yeah,
8:30 every
and it
night.
used to be on the newspaper also earlier.
My god, the schedule
The
for the day,
schedule for
iconic
everything.
memory.
And imagine if we would have to wait for a show right now. The concept
I
seems alien.
I get irritated if I have to scroll for more than 1 minute. I have to search for
Mm,
two, three tabs.
yeah,
So of course, the patience and the attention span that we had has
true. It has
dipped down
declined.
insanely, which
Mhm.
is of course the reason for everything that we face.
I like how every problem we have nowadays is because of this.
Exactly, we bring this point up in almost
Yeah,
it's crazy.
yeah.
But I think OTT is definitely struggling, and even if maybe they are
But it
making
was
money,
so revolutionary at one time. It was
yeah.
like you're getting to choose what to watch and to
Mm.
watch without ads. And I think initially there were very few OTTs. So you would have like
It was mainly Netflix and Prime,
you
right?
had a
And then
major chunk of things in those two.
yeah.
You just switched between two, and that was, I think it was okay. It was
And
fair.
then all these companies start production houses and movie studios started making their own platforms
Yeah,
like Paramount, Disney,
yeah.
and God knows Apple TV is a
HBO
thing.
has a thing, and
Uh,
there are so
Everyone has
many.
Peacock is so many.
ABC,
Yeah.
all of that. And now it's just like if I want to watch a show, it's impossible for me to buy all the subscriptions. Obviously, I cannot buy 10 subscriptions. Each subscription is easily 300-400 a month, and
Hmm.
I cannot afford that kind of thing. Realistically, I cannot spend 2-3K
No
on
one,
just
you should not even be
subscriptions.
expected to spend, but unfortunately, that is where we're at. And
Yeah.
now they sort of bundle this up with like Wi-Fi subscriptions and mobile
Mm,
subscriptions, and that is pretty much the only like no one. I don't think anyone is buying subscriptions. Like
yeah.
this reminds me when Game of Thrones was trending.
Mm-hmm.
It was like trending, and I
Yeah,
was
yeah,
like a devotee.
yeah.
And then when season 5 was coming out, I was in college that time, and I was living in my PG.
Mm-hmm.
I had 400 rupees in my bank account. Season 5 came out. I was trying to watch. I spent 200 of that on that subscription. I still remember that memory because at that time I was like, I need to watch it.
Yeah.
But there's like literally no other option, and I just probably chose to starve
Yeah.
and eat like chips for breakfast or
But
dinner.
why didn't you just pirate it?
I didn't know how to, and then us time
Ah,
nahi tha pata, and
okay,
it
okay,
was too
okay.
new. Pirated
It
also
took a
takes
while.
time
Yeah,
to
yeah,
land.
yeah. Right.
I needed to watch Game of Thrones. I was like dying. I was like, unable to breathe. So I just purchased it. Just like that is such a stupid decision. Like in
Yeah.
hindsight, but that time I was like, oh my god, I need to watch it.
But would you like rather pay a small, not even a small fee, just a fee, or would you go through the little bit of hassle to pirate it now, at least?
To be honest, finding it and watching it also slightly hassle.
Yeah.
Pirated content, I don't mind. What I'm To be honest, I don't know if I care that much. I would happily pirate it, but
If you know
piracy
how
also
to.
takes a while,
Yeah.
to be
Like I think
honest.
there are some people who are like, you can find this on Telegram, you can find this on
I have done
Torrent.
that. I have seen a lot of
I have seen a lot of
shows.
shows on, yeah, and it's not that difficult.
It actually is very easy because
Yeah.
then it just auto plays, right?
Yeah,
All these
you need
like
to find that one channel which has the
yeah,
whole show, and then you can watch it
yeah.
easily at
It's
once.
actually very easy. So it does make sense. But to be honest,
Yeah,
I haven't felt the need for it because right now most of the subscriptions that we
we
have are
have with
linked to
the,
our Wi-Fi.
yeah.
So if I choose a different plan, I don't think if I didn't have these subscriptions connected to my network like internet provider, I don't
Yeah.
think apart from one or two I would be buying them.
Hmm.
Like I would probably have one Netflix or maybe
Yeah.
something, or maybe I'll just switch. Like initially when we didn't
One,
have this, we used to
yeah.
switch, right? This month we'll buy Netflix, next month we'll do
Yeah,
this.
like कि सारे
Because
Netflix show इसी महीने देख लो.
yeah, exactly. We used to plan it like that.
Yeah, we used to
But
do
now since
that.
we have that, I don't think I would go out of my way to pirate it unless it's a movie I'm dying to watch. This is one movie I was dying to watch,
Mm-hmm.
and I
Why do
finally,
I?
I still have not found it properly. So I might pirate it. I don't know.
Okay.
It's also very difficult because most of these movies, if the reason for piracy is that you're not able to find it, then it's also difficult to find it on piracy
हाँ, got
because
it.
then it's
Right,
just
right,
not
right.
there.
Now,
So it's easy to find like famous content
yeah.
pirated.
But I feel I know so many people who still are very much
But I
into
don't mind doing it. I
pirate.
have done it. Even like
The 1, 2, 3 movies,
3 4
F
years back I've
movies.
done it,
Yeah,
right? I
yeah, yeah.
remember.
No, I mean, see, even I don't mind doing
The thing
it.
with piracy, one more thing, is that where the hell do you store it? It won't fit in my Mac.
Yeah.
I have to buy a stupid hard drive to save
No, just
everything.
delete it after watching.
Then it just feels kind of pointless. Like, why am I going through all that hassle if I don't even get to store it? Then it's just, I might as well just watch it on like.
So I would much
I
rather.
think my motivation for piracy is ownership. I can just save it forever.
Right.
I don't want to put all that hassle to just watch it and delete it. Then I would
Hmm.
just pay for an OTT, to be
I
honest.
feel I would not go the downloading route for that. I would just
Oh.
find it online streaming.
That's very difficult to find because there's always like utcoing
There.
and there's an ad.
So
Apart from Telegram, I've all these third-party websites are kind of
even
annoying.
Prime has
And
ads.
also, I feel that it's also risky. I don't want to get like my laptop. I don't want the laptop to get hacked or something.
But even like Prime has, like, fortunately the websites I have found, the online one, they just redirect you to multiple ad websites initially, but then once it plays smoothly, I feel. So if I'm gonna watch a movie at one stretch, I am okay with online streaming
That's
it.
okay, but I think it's.
Yeah.
I also find it a little risky. I don't want to get like a virus on my laptop.
Yeah, you're very
Because
particular about
torrent
it.
downloading is somehow safer than watching it online because
Mhm.
downloading is like find a link and download it.
Yeah.
But the problem with like watching is like God knows they're
Got it.
redirected. It's kind of
Yeah.
tricky.
True. I
That
mean,
is
honestly, I would just stop watching shows. I feel I would just watch YouTube if it's becoming such a hassle. I feel after a
YouTube
point.
also has YouTube movies, right?
I've never tried that
So
though.
to be honest, is YouTube is like launching their movies, buying and selling
Uh-huh.
subscription. I
Oh,
would
yeah.
happily just buy movies on YouTube because that's like a go-to platform for everything.
Right.
Now I'm watching everything, music is there. So
Mhm.
I don't mind making it my movies platform too.
So YouTube doesn't actually have an OTT. That's
It itself is the OTT, na? They have buying and renting services.
yeah, but like I don't mean they have like a subscription to watch movies and all.
They have it for individual movies. They
They
don't
don't
have it
have
like.
it for like a combined thing, I'm saying.
But
Haha.
dude, I would buy it in a blink.
Really? You would watch
To be
like
honest, if they have, because I am pretty sure that if YouTube launches an OTT,
Mhm.
they would have a great collection and they would have a good collection,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah.
And I'm very confident that they'll be able to build the library I want. And even if they don't have like what 5% of the shows that I want, then I can just go out and watch them.
Yeah.
But they're gonna have everything, and the only benefit is that platform. And half the times when I want to watch The Office, what do I search on YouTube?
Really? Just
Also,
clips?
yeah, like the official channel clips, not even like fake clips. Like all the the
Oh.
Peacocks, like HBO has, everyone has uploaded their office content, cold
Oh.
opens, yeah, this,
Oh,
that.
got
I
it,
most
got
of the time, if I want to watch some clips, most of my office rewatch is done on YouTube,
I didn't
and
know
it's
that.
all by
Wow.
official channels because they also know they're putting out free content because they know YouTube has such strong viewership
Yeah, such strong
that like
attention.
they have to put it out for free.
I do
So,
have to say, I like recently switched to YouTube Premium and I
mm,
just shifted for the music. But I got YouTube Premium like when I'm watching like a podcast or a video. It's so convenient.
yeah,
There's picture in picture, right?
that's
And
amazing.
it's just you can turn off your phone and it's still playing.
Mm-hmm.
It's just
It's
I
amazing.
YouTube is Premium is amazing. I feel it's
Yeah,
such
worth the money, I feel.
yeah, and it's not insanely expensive. I think.
Yeah, because I was paying the same for Spotify anyway.
Yeah, exactly. Now you're getting two things in this.
Yeah.
If
No,
they
YouTube
make an
Premium is
OTT
good.
thing like that, like a subscription base, I think I would get that.
That's exactly, I would also get that.
Yeah,
Because
true.
I just need like one platform.
Yeah,
I can't remember 20,000 passwords.
exactly. And it's really expensive, I feel
It
now.
is expensive.
And the issue is, okay, fine, even if I'm willing to pay, it's like in India, half of the shows are for some reason they're not available. I am like, I want to watch this, and it's like,
Not available in
I
India.
have to figure out
Heated
VPN.
Rivalry is not available in India. It's one of the most popular
Uh-huh.
shows this year, and I'm just like
Yeah.
struggling to find it.
And I have to like use VPN on my laptop, and I don't know how to. So I have to learn how to use VPN on my laptop, and
Yeah.
then I don't think it still worked.
I remember I used to use VPN when I used to download via torrent.
I don't even know how
It
to
is
do it
such
on
a
the laptop.
hassle. I won't say that piracy is easy. It is kind of a tedious task.
If OTT itself becomes tedious, people might just switch to it.
The thing is,
You know, it's like
yeah,
tedious with ads and with money, or tedious with ads without money.
yeah, exactly.
You know, so people will obviously choose the cheaper option in that.
So by tedious, I don't mean ads. I just mean
Haha.
you have to click on each button 20 times because there's so many fake buttons and layers and glitch,
I know.
and then you have to wait for it to load.
Yeah.
And then your browser will be like spam link, sorry.
Yeah.
Those kind of
I know.
hassles that you will never face in an OTT.
You'll never face in an OTT. But literally the other day you told me Bait show, right?
Yeah.
And I, for some reason, I thought it was on Netflix, and I'm looking on Netflix,
Oh.
and it's not showing up, and I'm getting what it was on Netflix. I was so sure it was on Netflix.
Yeah,
and
it's
I'm
a
like,
Prime show.
I googled it. I was like, oops.
But
Like,
that was your bad though.
no, but if I do it on a, like an online streaming piracy, it would never happen because it would just show up at once.
But why can't you just Google it before searching it?
I don't know. I was very
So
sure.
when
it
that
was
happens,
online.
to me in movies, like I would not know where a random movie is stored.
Yeah.
But for shows, I think most of the time it's very something happened.
Yeah. I think that was their cat.
Yeah.
Anyway. But yeah. So I forgot where.
I'm talking about that how you didn't search for bait. You got
Okay,
baited in.
fine. Maybe it was a me problem, but it's a problem.
Yeah.
It is a problem at the end
But
of
yeah,
the day.
OTTs are annoying. I mean,
And you
for
know,
example, I have two devices
Mhm.
and then I have to use Geo Hotstar.
Mhm.
If I have to use it on laptop number one, I have to log out from there.
it's such
It
a-
is the
we
most
cannot watch
unknown.
Netflix at the same time. You have to
Yeah.
plan that you watch Netflix this week. Next week I'll watch.
Because
What's
that
the
is because
point?
this broke girl cannot buy her own subscription.
Why is buying one screen 300 rupees?
Yeah.
Just one additional screen.
Yeah.
Not even the whole subscription.
If it was for the year, I would happily pay it.
Yeah.
But like per month is crazy.
It's crazy.
That's more than the original subscription itself.
It's just too much, I feel.
But after
So
the
I would-
Netflix is significantly cheaper in India. Abroad, it's much more expensive.
Really, how much is it? Like, it's like 300-400 a month.
200. Right now, it's free for us because it's with the internet.
Right now, yes, but but I
think it's
think the
200.
Prime is the cheapest generally, right?
Yeah.
It's like 12, 13, 15.
But now it's with ads.
year.
Netflix has no ads.
True.
Prime has ads,
Hotstar
which
also
is
has ads.
Hotstar has way too. Hotstar has the most number of ads.
And they have
Prime
different
also doesn't have
categories.
ads on old shows, and they have like maybe 2 sets of ad in the movie, which is
Yeah.
still
Okay.
But Hotstar has endless
5,
ads, and
6 at
especially
least.
on like famous shows and new shows, it's annoying.
And oh my God,
But I have found a hack for not.
ad blocker.
No,
Doesn't
no, no.
work.
I know it doesn't work. It's not that. But I'll
Right.
tell you later. I can't tell you on camera.
Okay. Okay. You know what? I just remembered I used to watch Shark Tank on Sony Live. Why does Sony Live?
So the only reason Sony Lives exists.
KBC and maybe MasterChef.
Yeah,
Times.
KBC also.
But you know, Sony Live.
Why are you complaining about Sony Live when you've seen everything on that platform?
It has the worst ad. There was 3 ads continuously, and sometimes two of those ads are the same ad.
My
It's
God.
torture. It's like literally like I used to watch TV and used to hate ads exactly like TV vibe.
Yeah.
It's terrible, the
Yeah.
ads in
I
that
mean,
ad.
Sony, if you're watching Sony Live, you anyways have that TV vibe, right?
I know, but we're paying for the subscription.
Hmm.
Why am I seeing am I paying for it or is it free?
I have no idea
I
actually.
think it's included in
But
our
there are so
Wi-Fi.
many. I genuinely don't even remember what I'm paying for.
Literally, we just found out Airtel Extreme is a thing apparently,
And
and
we
we
have a
have it.
subscription for that.
We have never used it.
I'm just like, I didn't even know that I had it. And I thought
Exactly.
I wanted to watch this movie and I was landing to Airtel Extreme.
Yeah.
I'm just like, what the hell? And then it showed login to watch.
Yeah.
I was like, my god, let me try. And then it's like, you're a pro member. I'm just like,
Am I?
okay, I don't know.
Yeah. But I feel like all of the streaming thing is becoming like another version of just cable now.
Cable is gonna come back.
Cable
I
might
am
just
telling
come
you,
back.
cable is gonna have a
There are so
comeback.
many startups or just companies who are trying to give you a combined
Manager sort of thing, like a
they
subscription
they
manager.
put all the OTT in one space so that you can easily find it.
But also, I
Like,
think
why is it-
coming back is a blanket statement. It's not actually going to come back because the corporate structure is so messy.
Mhm.
Now we have like 4-5 movie studio joints who are never gonna give up their content licensing unless like the
Yeah.
streaming model collapses entirely.
Yeah.
So I think it's very hopeful to say that cable is gonna come back, but it's not because the industry is now just built a different way. And most of the shows that we watch are owned by Netflix and Prime, who don't even have a TV channel. So how the hell is TV gonna come back?
Right.
Because Netflix has unfortunately some of the most culture shows of like
Yeah,
the
yeah,
last
yeah.
10 years.
True.
So I don't know how it's gonna happen,
True.
but I think it's just gonna cost us more money, whatever it is.
I won't spend. I will stop.
Let's be pirates
watching.
together.
I will just watch reels. I think now I'm gonna switch to a professional reel
Maybe
watcher.
that's a conspiracy theory. Maybe they're ruining it so much so that we get addicted to reels.
What if they start charging for reels? I'll kill myself.
Yeah.
They're like 300 rupees for the whole month to watch reels. And I
Yeah.
am not gonna lie. I think people might pay for it.
You are gonna pay for it.
I won't pay.
You will pay for it.
I'll see.
You will. I know you.
I hope they don't do this. Maybe I hope we didn't give an idea.
I'm pretty sure they've had this idea a million times.
Okay.
But yeah, I think that's about it. OTT sucks. Piracy events. I
Yeah.
hope. I don't know.
Yeah.
But let us know.
Let's
have you
see.
ever like pirated
Pirated
content?
anything, yeah.
And if you have, please do teach us because I don't think we know how to. We would love to learn and then hopefully do it. Allegedly, we might do it.
Yeah, allegedly.
Yeah. But yeah, thank you for watching.
Please like, share, subscribe.